Hey guys, Nick here from Nick's Taxes, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about GameStop. Obviously, it's gone to the moon, and all the talk is about GameStop. You can take a look here at the 1 month chart. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. If you wanted to start the year, back on January 2nd, January 4th, $17, it's almost at 2,000% gain in under a month. It's absolutely ridiculous. So, I just want to come out and talk about this. If you're new to investing and you're trying to get in, just understand your risks. I wouldn't invest with money that you need. This should be play money. Invest with money that you're prepared to literally just throw out the window and never see again, because who knows what's going to happen. This is essentially a game of musical chairs, and you don't want to be that one when that last chair is pulled out and you got nothing to sit on. But if you play this right, you might end up with some really strong gains. All this talk on Reddit, Wall Street Bets. There's some smart retail investors out there saying that the price target here might be $1,000. Some are saying even more. And we're sitting at 347. It's down about 15% on the after hours, but the amount of gains we're seeing is absolutely bonkers. So if you look here at GameStop through FinViz is a cool visualization thing. And you can take a look here. Their short float, 140%. So that means there's technically more shorts out there than there are actually stocks, which is crazy. And so if you don't know what a short is, basically normal people will buy a stock with the intention that, at some point down the road, that stock's going to be worth more, and they're going to sell it at a higher price. That's called going long in the stock market. Going short is the opposite. Basically, if you just want to look up at Wikipedia, it's investing in such a way that the investor will profit if the value of the asset falls. So you basically buy the stock, and then when it goes down, you sell the stock, you give the money to your broker, and then you basically keep the difference there. And that's kind of how they work. But when you're shorting something, you can see the image here on how it works as well. But when you're shorting something, eventually the broker, whoever you're borrowing from, will want their money back or request their money. You can't hold it forever, kind of like with a long, you can hold it long term. Short, there are some time frames. And so when this stock keeps getting pumped higher and higher and higher, there's more pressure now for these shorts to pay back their positions. And then when they pay it back, it only causes the stock to go that much higher. And so what we're seeing here is a short squeeze play. And it's when, just off of Wikipedia, when short sellers of a stock move to cover their positions, purchasing large volumes of stock relative to the market volume. So what we're looking at here is margin calls, and that's basically when the broker forces the owner of those shares to buy back. And so there's a lot of talk that there's going to be margin calls happening on Friday. So right now they're kind of waiting till the end of the week to see just how high this thing might go. Again, if you're new to investing, this is not an investment. This is a pure speculative play. This is not an investment by any means, but I do have some money. I sold some profits in my one account, my personal account, and put some money here into GameStop. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm, fully prepared to lose out all of my money if that's the case. There's a couple other stocks that are similar to this. BlackBerry's one. The AMC movie theaters is another one. Express, COS. So there's a few out there that are similar. Nokia as well. So there's a lot going on, and we're seeing these huge volatile movements, and these are just, retail investors are just trying to beat Wall Street essentially and beat these shorts, and so far they've been pretty successful. So let me know what you guys think. Again, don't invest using FOMO, fear of missing out. try to be semi-smart with this, and just be aware that you might be able to make a lot of money in a very short period of time, but also be prepared to lose all of it essentially, because yeah, this is absolutely nutty. This is historic. Maybe we'll see a movie about this at some point. But let me know, are you investing in any of these, we'll call them meme stocks? Are you investing in any of these, and what's your thoughts on these stocks? But yeah, I just wanted to come out and make a quick video regarding all of this stuff. Hopefully it kind of gives you guys a little bit more insight on what's going on, and prepare yourself for what might happen Thursday, Friday, Monday. Who knows? We might all be millionaires, or we might all be broke by the end of this. But leave a like if you got value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.